ngale ring there, I'm making a promise to provide for you, to love you, to protect you, and most importantly, to share my life with you. Okay, there was a mutual friend in tertiary that he was having a 21st birthday of those days where he couldn't attend, he party. So Begasala in the same apartment with Khanyi, but we were doing the same cause together. So it happened that we were both invited in that party. I was actually invited to come and play because I was still a DJ by then. So that's when we met.
Khanyi and Sizwe too. The six of us at home. I am number 3, Khanyi is number 5.
The bride is my baby sister, Khanyi. She was born when I was in high school, when I was doing my grade 9.
Lungile ngimati njenga skonwami and Sizwe ngubhuti wami lengikhule naye.
uSizwe ngimazi ngoba elethwa ngikhanyisile lapha ekhaya. uSizwe uze ngoba engumkhwenyana ezothatha simazi kanjalo.
My child is the boy wasitshela ngomalokazana while basise University of Pretoria. So waqhuba ngekwesintu. One of the good days wafika naye eMasibekela where we are relocated. Sambona, we welcome Makoti. So we were so delighted with his Makoti. It was a howdy.
Khanyi is my older sister. I've always been her bag, her purse. She used to take me everywhere she went. We like to party. So yeah.
What is unique about them is that Lungile is very dominant, is very talkative, and Sizwe is very soft-spoken, is very quiet, is very calculated. So it's a very unique combination, but it's a working combination because when one raises her voice, the other calms down. But between the two of them, they make a perfect couple.
No, I don't want to answer this question.
Okay, let's move on.
Let's move on. I genuinely can't make anything up. I wish I could.
Basimbonile uSizwe abuya back to work at Mpumalanga and umakoti wasala, but akasalanga ngokuthando, waqhubeka wamthanda umntwana wethu. It is very unique, otherwise we are supposed to forget her.
Sesingaphakama sonke ke simeke izinyawo.
When I am down and oh my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burdened be, then I am still and wait here in the silence stand on my
Asililizeleni ungabi nomoya.
You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than
I will
I
pray for
can be.
I will pray with you. I will love you. I will honor you. I will remain your best friend. I will remain your other half. We will remain a force not to be reckoned with. It is you and me. I love you.
Asililizeleni.
You raise me up so I can stand on my
I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Mthethwa. Nabo Nyambose.